Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm talking about is our technology, ultrasonic fast shaping system. My name is Jinxin Chen. Nobody likes stubborn fat. Most people have an area of stubborn fat in their body. Even you make efforts to remove it through diet and exercise, but it just won't go away. How to remove it? One method is liposuction. Liposuction is a surgical procedure. You can see this picture. The doctor inserts a device into the fat tissue and break the fat and then suck the broken fat out. The treatment is effective, but it's highly invasive and it needs high dose anesthesia. After treatment, the incision is tumescent. People feel pain and need to spend time for recovery. So about 50% of people who undergo fat reduction treatment choose the non-surgical method. There are two popular modalities. One is cryolipolysis. The other is ultrasonic lipolysis. Cryolipolysis is to freeze the fat cells, leading death of the fat cells. Its limitation is the thickness of the fat layer must be larger than 5 centimeters. The side effects include temporary sensory loss and skin laxity after treatment. The ultrasonic lipolysis is to block the fat cells by high thermal ablation. Its limitation is the fat thickness is only larger than 1 centimeter. One attractive point is collagen remodeling in the skin after treatment, which can prevent skin laxity. What is the HIFU? You can see this schematic diagram. The HIFU transducer generates ultrasound outside the body, and ultrasound can propagate through the skin and converge on a small area at the focus. The focal hotspot can hit the fat, and the temperature increase to 56 degrees C or more. The heating process is called thermal ablation. HIFU has several advantages: non-invasive and no incision, no scar, no ionizing radiation because it's a kind of mechanical wave, no need for anesthesia, no need for hospitalization. The current HIFU lipolysis technology has some drawbacks. The first is people wait for a long time to see the outcome after treatment. It's usually 3 months because removing the broken fat cells is via the immune system. The second is people lie on the bed more 1 hour for treatment because the current tech hit the fat point by point. We call point ablation. The last is people feel the treatment efficacy is low. The point ablation limits the region of treatment and only achieve 1 inch reduction of waistline. We propose 2 solutions for above problems. Here's our solution 1. We address HIFU lipolysis followed by passive exercise to shorten time to see the fat reduction. We assume the fat cells are broken by HIFU and release lipids. Then free lipids are digested fast to supply energy to muscle through the blood circulation. When muscular passive is performed by electrical stimulation. We carry out an animal study to prove our idea. We divided 12 pigs into 4 groups. The difference between the last groups is the total number of HIFU abrasion. The target is abdomen, and the muscle side muscle is stimulated electrically. After treatment, we monitor their body weights, waist length, fat thickness, and blood molecules. Let's see the results. Their body weights gradually increase over time. For waistline, 2 positions are measured, R1 and R2. You can see the HIFU plus ES groups, green line and purple line, have a reduction in waistline. In particularly, the HIFU plus ES2 groups, the maximum reduction is about 2 inches in 2 weeks after treatment. Move to the results of fat thickness. Briefly, except the same group, the other 3 groups has reduction in fat thickness. Again, the HIFU plus ES2 groups has more decreases. Okay, the body weights of all pigs increased during the experimental periods, and the levels of cholesterol, HDL, and so forth did not vary significant after treatment. So we suggest HIFU plus ES treatment is safe. Therefore, yes, HIFU plus passive exercise can speed up fat removal. You can get the details in our published paper. Here is our solution tool. We developed an innovative HIFU device. We use numerical simulation to design the HIFU transducer. You can 3 figures shows ultrasound function status on 3 cross-sectional planes. You can see the red area denotes focal zone. Its shape is like a strip. So we expect the strip focal zone can form a line hotspot in the fat layer to perform line abrasion. This picture shows the prototype of our HIFU device. We want to see the line abrasion in the fat tissue. So we put a pig fat on the transducer. And you can see this movie. We trigger HIFU. And now HIFU is lysing fat. And the lysed fat is in a line region. So that's line abrasion. We also measure the temperatures at the 4 sites. Sites A and B are in the focal zone. Site C is outside the focal zone by 1 centimeter. Site D is in the muscle below the fat layer. And you can see only temperatures at site A and site B significantly increase. And the temperature is higher than 55 degrees C after 5-second HIFU exposure. So HIFU just abrade fat in the focal zone. We did animal study using our HIFU device. After treatment, we dissect the fat tissue. You can see this figure. This is broken fat, and MR image shows the broken fat locates in the line regions, and other tissues are intact. So the animal study also verifies our HIFU device can perform 9 ablation in the fat layers and doesn't damage tissues outside the focal zone. The table illustrates the comparison between current tech and our tech. The operating frequency is the same, it's 2 megahertz. The lipolysis rate of our tech is 10 times of the current technology. The animal study demonstrates our technology can achieve 2-inch reduction of waistline in 2 weeks. Our team consists of 1 principal investigator, 3 engineers, and 3 research assistants. We have established HIFU transducer technology platform. With this platform, we have developed some HIFU systems. For instance, MR-guided HIFU uterine fibroids ablation system, MR-guided HIFU breast tumor ablation system, and HIFU lipolysis system. I make a summary. We have a new finding. HIFU ablation followed by electrical stimulation of muscle can accelerate fat reduction. We developed a new HIFU device to perform 9 ablation, which can shorten the treatment time and improve the treatment efficacy. So now we are looking forward to technology transfer for commercialization of our tech. Thank you for listening.